Okay.
Nice. Nice hit. Full swing ka lang ha, full swing. Okay na to, okay lang. Full swing ka. Sana lang ba't mo? Oh. Kanina yung palo mo hanggang dyan lang. Pinipigilan mo.
Opo, sir.
Oo. Ganun. Diretso hanggang likod. Nice. Masarap basta mag-full swing. Pigil.
Sarap nito.
Ilan? Tututo ka na, hindi ka na tumatawa.
Takot ako matalo.
Lalo na siya. Practice. Tumatawa pag yung kapal.
Hindi ka na makapakita doon. Baka mamaya sabihin ka.
Hindi yung kaming bola.
Oh, oh, di ba? Ganda eh. Ay, sorry na. Diyan, in love si kuya eh.
Favorite niya na yan. Oh. Babalik pa talaga.
Tulad sa akin.
Salim ko lang progress niya yan. Parang binuo ni isa yung iba. Tinakaw yung mga tayo-iwits eh.
Oh. Oh.
So ano lang naman, sulit balikan natin. Rock doon. Parang madali lang siguro yung pagkuha ba?
Buo na ba lahat talaga kuya?
Ha?
Buo na ba lahat?
Wala na. Kung nakamarahay kayo, mga oy, magpatahin ng uniforme. Saan ka na uniforme?
Si Ate M sa marami, Cougars. Oo. Parang ano lang kami ah. 15?
Ikaw mo? Ilang pitch yun?
Hindi ano yan kuya.
Pati extra.
Extra lang yan. Tapos yung iba pa sa clear na nun, hindi pa nga, wala pa nga klaro eh. Kung sino lang yung nakikita ng papractice, yun lang kami.
Sisipa. Hindi naman kasi masisip, baka yung iba, busy talaga. Hindi na mag-gawin.
Hindi namin siya bibitawan. Wala. Tutuwak din yung tayo.
Akala ko lang parang kay Mike lang ba na sa Brewers ba na post ka? Hindi. Maganda nga rin yung ginawa eh. At least nakabuo ka na siya. Ninja Turtle. Antay, pakilang.
It's the way I want it to fly all the time.
Pangit eh.
But it's like me sitting in the water.
Okay.
But when I do it with effort, then I fucking do this or fucking this, and then everything's off.
I get a lot of body English when I try to swing with everything I got. And that's what I call body
Like
English.
shit falls apart.
Things start to do things that it's not supposed to do.
Shit I have never done anywhere on a tee or anything, because
Yeah.
I hit off a tee 1,000 times because I can't.
Like I can do this, and I can get a decent level swing. And I got a little soft toss for home where I can get. I got it in the car. I was going to bring it down here, but Scarlett, let me walk down here to see if you're
Okay.
here. But it's when I get pitched to, that's when it all goes out the window. And in Abu Dhabi, we'll have days where we'll do like they'll rent the field for like batting practice. But there's no one up there with experience to be like, hey, look,
To correct.
stop doing
Yeah.
this
Yes,
because
yes.
you're getting a bad habit.
Yeah.
And I'm not fixing anything.
Dito o sa Abu Dhabi Airport?
Yeah.
Dito? Wala ka naman umuwi ka pa na Abu Dhabi.
Kami nga yata bukas, kami lang dalawa ni Kuya Ed.
Si Isa ano eh. Parang ano eh. Ha? Hindi, ayos lang. Tanong ng tanong nga si Isa sa akin, ano bang gagawin natin? Anong gagawin natin? Umalis kasi si Miss mo, may trabaho na. Sabi ko, sige lang, maglaro lang tayo.
Oh my God.
Eh, ano yun?
Ah! Lalim. Lalim nun ah.
Sorry. Kuya Aldo, saan ba pwede makabili ng mga second hand lang? Sana tinanong ko yun.
Pag meron, ako walang problema ako man.
Katulad ng Stone ko kuya.
Walang stone yun.
Ano lang?
Laging ano yun.
Mga US.
Mans Tower, tsaka
Pero US
Louisville.
yan, diba? Diba 24 yan?
Ah.
Kahit ganyan kuya, basta
Ah, ano ko?
kahit ganyan ka, basta sa kasi tingin mo ka sa yung katulad ko sa alam ko yung palo ko din.
Kasi nga, pag sarili mo mong kailangan yun talaga lahat yung ginagawa.
Pero pag nagpa-practice ako, iba kuya.
Oo.
Pag palo na yun na.
See, Patricia, nice and easy. That's all you gotta do. It's fast hands only.
Nasaan?
You wanna hit like that?
Yes.
It's
But
easy.
how come? How come men hit harder than women?
No! It's, you have everything right. Just one. It's two small
think that was
adjustments.
hard?
My man! What the fuck is up, baby? Are you living here now?
Yeah, kind of.
Kind of. This morning I saw your shit. I was like, what are you doing at the White House? I'm not cool, man.
I worked there.
What the fuck? And the room that you was in, I've never even seen that room.
No?
Where? Because there's the big weight room and there's that one CrossFit area. But I've never.
Yeah.
There's another studio in there?
Yeah, so you know where's the stairs to go up?
Yeah, like here's the last rack of things, the bench press, and then there's a couple of it's like a cutout there.
Yeah, so those stairs, there's a door. But they renew it. They did a reconstruction.
Oh, for real?
Yeah.
Well, because I went there right after the flood.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
So that
Like when half the shit was closed.
the room is there.
Yeah. Oh no shit.
Whenever you wanna come, man, let me know.
Oh, well, I have a membership.
Yeah, come.
Ilang player na lang? Ilang team pa lang?
Parang 7 yata.
Oh, why you give me that bullshit, man? Alright.
Hi, I'm Patricia. Nice to meet you.
I'm Lauren.
Hi, Lauren.
Hello, Lauren.
Hello.
My name is Charles Chavez.
Oh, it's nice to meet you, Charles.
That list, but
Basketball?
what's your new bag or list?
That's mine.
Man's that?
Yeah.
I saw that. I
Oh!
saw that. That one, the one with the.
Fucking damn, I took it inside.
Out of here. That one.
Okay. I think I'm warmed up. Are your friends? Then that's romance. But this is the last part because on the back,
See?
and you swing. Here's the last part. This width, this one, this is where it makes all the power. It's not like I have a hard back swing. I don't. I have a very lazy swing. But whenever I swing through here,
There is
one
the
thing,
width.
there, this part,
Alright.
that little fucking
Yeah.
is where all the power.
Thank you.
Because these balls, it's not a baseball. So baseballs, all you have to do is make contact with it.
Correct. It's hard.
This is a big ball, but it's not very dense. So you need all the momentum to push this fucking ball. It doesn't land. It's like doing a piece of
Yes. Okay.
but you just keep this flat.
Pop. Flat.
I can I pitch that pitch. I've never.
Level it. Okay.
Number one, softball. You want to compete.
If I don't do well,
Okay.
we'll call
Ah.
Titty high better.
Okay.
If you like it low, that's cool. But just you'll get the most power out of something.
Video mo muna.
Up top, not down.
Just make it up little.
So coming up,
Yes.
normal baseball.
Yes.
push back.
They go up.
You go there because you're doing the plan. And you're like, oh, this is so good.
Too high.
And you have to hit it hard, but it's still just kind of. You wanna take a look? You did. You did this. You did this.
Wrong.
And you want to motion.
Out.
No, don't even try to bring it in.
Sorry, Sam, yes.
It's okay.
Do emotion.
Maybe I should pitch.
Yeah, try.
I'm doing great.
Like you're aiming.
Yes.
Like you're aiming for the ball.
Okay. Don't aim. Just hit.
So wait for the ball to come. And then when you're ready, just go.
Then you go forward. Okay. I'm gonna imagine. Pull this back. Nothing gonna pitch to me.
There you go.
Alright, last two.
The way the bat sounded, that's what you want. That means you get this. The bat will tell you it is
The
good.
back.
So anything.
Thanks.
No shit, but you're not gonna just the half drive.
Yeah.
Meet the ball. Meet that. Right there. Oh man, yeah, just like that.
Too different from my.
That's it. Did you Forget the way it sounded.
Yeah.
The click sound is what you want.
Hi, Kuya! Dito ka!
What are you doing? Look at the ball. The ball's right here.
Ayos lang.
Hey, how are you?
Bakit ka muna doon, Col? Yung sa itim. Bakit ka muna? Yung sa itim.
Always, always.
Bam! So then, when you do open your head, it brings all the momentum with you.
Sa kulang.
What's the massive?
Pagdating ko lang, nagkurusin ah. Hindi pwede yun.
No, that was good. You hit the top part of the ball.
Sabi na, hindi natin yung kuha ng sibo mo.
Look at that.
Saan natin, Jing?
No, nothing else.
Yung order ko ah.
Mo order mo.
Perfect. Velocity.
Hi, Idol!
Kaya nga.
Ay, sorry, I'm so busy.
Hi, Idol!
Hey.
How are you?
Kasi nga may usapan kami ni
Hi, Ate Jing!
Perfect.
It's okay?
Kayo lang?
Grabe naman talaga. May
Dipped a little bit, but not enough
ano
to
talaga to? May
Galit sa'yo. Galit na. Paluin mo, ate.
Attack.
Uy, may
Attack.
ano na?
Okay, I'm gonna attack this.
Naghahanap si Paco ng job nito. Sabi ko, not allowed na. Accept Kuya Aldos. Sabi ko nga, accept Kuya Aldos kasi nakakasira ng utak niya. Nakakasira ba ng utak? Sabi ko, Kuya Aldos lang pwede.
Iba nagdadala, no?
Oo. Pag kay Kuya Aldos, matakot ka. Kasi may halong palo yung kay Kuya Aldos yun.
Yung kanila, may halong sira ulo.
Oo. Subukan mo magpasira ulo pag kay Kuya Aldos, di ba? Paluin utak mo.
I go like this. I go like this.
Dati lang.
Sabi ko, dadali ko na sana yung bat ko sa ano. Oh. Kasi yung talagang malit ate.
Swimming.
Yeah. But that hit, you know? Tommy catches it all the time.
No, no, no.
Tommy
Once
and,
you get the velocity on it, you're not gonna hit that. The best hits will only be 7 feet off the ground, 8 feet off the ground, but they stay fucking flat.
straight line drive.
That's it. It's like we don't want to lift.
No lift. Okay.
Yeah.
Got it.
And it lifts
Ah, pag-championship na to agad.
Yes. So good.
Kape. Anong team ka ba?
Okay.
Anong team ka?
Gasolina.
Ah.
You won't be here this.
Wala, stick
Again?
ah.
again.
Nasa mukha ko na eh.
Why is that again? It's only been 2 weeks.
We need you, Chuck. We need you.
Ano ba? Dapat sa batas
I got my wife telling me.
Ano na, nakachinilas na si ate oh. Professional si ate oh.
My husband's in Germany, enjoying the time.
Mabigat ba yan ate?
He needs it. And I'm so happy.
Kaya ano?
You dipped a little bit, but as long as you dip and you drive through it, like you did,
Bola ng bigay, 80 lang. Ha? Bola ng bigay. Ito kay kuya.
Di ba may plastic pa yan?
everything that you're doing already.
So pwede ito gamitin kuya. Di pa. Ha?
Hindi pa ito pa yan, di ayaw pa paggamit.
Di ba?
Di pa pwede virgin lang to?
So this is the box.
Kaninong bola